working abroad, and we have teachers, we have seamen, engineers, and others also are serving as government employee, mga nasa barangay, nag-servisyo. And kanang very proud and honored to go to inform you all na kini among batch are very generous and so active. Isang text ko lang na magtapok may naadyo dayon makurong sa wadyo yung meeting nga wakit na kurong. As in, grabe. And kanang tungkol sa kakibo, every time ganay mo uli, mo text dayon ako nga, ma'am, gusto ko magitapok sa toang batch. So, okay makakaito bunker. So, okay kayo man tapok na sad. So, maibiyas sa tapok na po. Grabe, prior from this grand homecoming reunion, daghan na dyan tapok na nahimo. And, ganun, for sa mga batch, for support of our alma mater, na namigyan dam nga tapang, na nagkasabot namin, we have finalized already, na matapang may for the project and for the improvement of our alma mater. Thank you.